Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to use the tiny Bloom breast pump. First, let's get everything ready. Before your initial use, thoroughly clean and sterilize all pump components. Then, carefully assemble the pump by attaching the silicone diaphragm and valve to the breast shield. Make sure the pump is fully charged. A complete charge typically offers around 2 hours of pumping time, ensuring you're prepared for your session. Now, let's talk about positioning for effective pumping. It's crucial to center your nipple within the breast shield opening to ensure both comfort and efficient milk expression. Once positioned, press the breast shield firmly against your breast, creating a secure seal to prevent air leakage. Begin your pumping session on the lowest suction setting, then slowly increase it until you find a comfortable and effective level for milk flow. During your pumping session, aim for about 15 to 20 minutes per breast, or continue until you notice your milk flow significantly decreasing. Keep an eye on the collection bottle. The tiny Bloom pump can comfortably hold up to 5 ounces of breast milk. When you're finished, simply turn off the pump and carefully break the seal before gently removing the breast shield from your breast. This ensures a comfortable end to your session. After each pumping session, proper cleaning and storage are essential for hygiene and longevity. Immediately disassemble all pump parts to ensure every component can be thoroughly cleaned. Wash them in warm, soapy water, then rinse completely with clean water. Allow all parts to air dry fully before reassembling. Finally, store your clean, dry, tiny Bloom pump in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, ready for its next use.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.